How you doing, everybody? 10,000 kettlebell swing challenge, workout number 10, 5,000 swings down. Completed the workout about an hour and a half ago. Had to train a client immediately after the workout, so I had a chance to recuperate a little bit, feel really good. So let you know, wore a heart rate monitor today because I supersetted my 10,000 or my 500 swings for the night. Supersetted those with sled marches on the dog sled, Rogue dog sled. So I wanted to see what that would do with my heart rate. So highest I ever got was 172 beats per minute, and that was after the 50 swings and 8 marches of the fifth set. Everything before that was 160, as low as 150 one set. So felt really good. Hip hinge feels great. Hands felt great tonight. I think I'm pushing through to a new level. I'm going to increase the weight of the kettlebells since I went through unbroken again tonight. Feel really good about it. We're all here, at my age, we're here to motivate and inspire the young guys to be better at what they do. Okay, so if they can take a little bit of inspiration from someone working hard at my age to try and be better, then hopefully, they'll carry that through and try and be better themselves. Last workout for the year. Tomorrow's a day off. Then we'll start in on workout number 11 and start tackling that second 5,000. 5,000 down, 5,000 to go. Thanks for paying attention to this if you are. I really appreciate it and hope it does something for you. Talk to you soon.